Okay, so this is what you would do if you want to stream on YouTube straight away from your PlayStation 5. So first you go to settings at the top there, and once you click on settings, you go to users and accounts added down there. Now when this one opens, you click on linked services, so it's going to display all the services on your PlayStation 5. Then you head away straight to YouTube at the bottom. So when you go to click on YouTube, you realize that there is a link there. Then you link your YouTube to your channel, your YouTube channel. So when you are done, you click on any game you want. So I have started FC26. When this opens, you click on this button on your controller. This button. So when you click on it, you see this displayed at the bottom there. Then you go to broadcast, the broadcast there. So once you click on broadcast, your services will list there. So I will go to YouTube, and from there, you can go live.